back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today's video is going to be my college night routine. I know I have a college morning routine on my channel, so I figured why not do a night routine. I figured I would give you a brief description of what my days look like before I start with the actual video. So today is Monday and it is 2:21 right now. I just got back from the gym. Mondays I work from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then I head straight to the gym. So I was at the gym for about an hour and a half today and I did arms. So if you guys see me struggling trying to hold the camera up, or if you see the camera shaking, that is why. So I just got home. I brought everything upstairs. So here is my school backpack right there, and then here's my workout backpack. So the first thing I did was I filled up my water bottle right here because I always like to get my water intake, and then I always start by finding something to eat, especially after my workouts. I like to get my protein in. So I'm gonna figure out what I want to eat, and since I have a whole day of like nothing basically, I don't have class on Mondays. I only have class on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and those are my full days. So I don't go to the gym on those days. I just go to class from 9:30 to 5. So Wednesdays I go to work from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then go to the gym and then get whatever I need to get done on, and then Friday I go into work from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So basically Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, and the weekend are my days where I get things done. So those are the days where I do homework, I run errands, I basically prepare myself for Tuesday and Thursdays. So those are my productive days. Today I did a little bit of work while I was at work, so I got some homework out of the way. So I don't think I have too much going on today, but I will probably have some reading to do. Since it's only 2:30, I still have things that I want to do before I start my actual night routine. So you'll see this is going to be kind of like a vlog style in the beginning, and then once nighttime hits I'll start my night routine. So I just wanted to throw that out to you guys that way, because I mean it is sunny right now. Like the sun is literally, the sun's still out. So I'm not going to start getting ready for bed right now because it's only 2:30. So that is kind of what my days look like. My arm is starting to hurt. So if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell at the bottom so you guys get notified when I upload. I'm gonna get some stuff done, and then once I'm ready to relax for the night, I'll start my night routine. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Let's jump into it. my skincare routine for the evening. I didn't have to wash my hair because it's not time for me to wash it yet, and it's really not dirty or anything because I just got it done a few days ago. I'm just wearing a big t-shirt and some Nike shorts. 6:30-ish right now. I haven't eaten dinner yet because I'm still not hungry, but I think I'm gonna start to read and do some finance homework and then probably eat dinner here in a little bit.